Hello guys, today is day 6 of 30 days English speaking challenge and I am talking about Stimular app, how was the experience about this app, and it is good. If you are using it for free version, so you need to wait a lot, means once you use for you can use only for 5 to 10 minutes, and after that it gives you a time 1 hour. After that you can also use this application after 1 hour. So it is not for the free version guy, but when you want to use premium, so it is absolutely fine. So you can also track, analyze your pitch, it is slow or fast. You can track your pronunciation, how was it is, like you pronounce it correctly and not. And there are a lot of lessons from basics to advanced, and you can also talk about many things like hobbies, movies, and any club or party, anywhere, any situation like that, and you can make conversation with AI too. Also, it is full app running by AI. Everything is by AI, but it is definitely good. Nowadays, most people using this application, and you can also use this to improve your communication, improve your English speaking, and everything about English. It helps you to get that improvement. So you can check that application. According to my recommendation, by free version people, they can't use it as much. They need time after an hour, or an hour. So you can you should use definitely another application which can provide these kinds of lessons and speaking challenges like speech or any topic. Also you can use another, you can search by topic by yourself and you can record it and check you are pronouncing it correctly or not. You can how you it's all about this application. And yeah, I'm also not using that much. Thanks. Let's see you in the next video, and I'm gonna talk about what applications I use.